was walking down the street the other day, and I said, gee, what a wonderful day it is. It's so beautiful. And so I stared up at the clouds and saw a bird flying, and I was like, oh, it would be cool if I could be like a bird that was free. Then I kept driving on. I just kept walking down the street. Then I noticed the bird was following me, kinda scary like, and I thought, I am so scared right